PP token will be listed on Coinbase. 10x to 100x potential. Welcome to my channel. According to Crypto Potato, so credit to Crypto Potato, PP price surged 15% after Coinbase listing. PP has displayed immense strength over the past 24 hours, pumping 15%. So the Coinbase perpetual listing explodes PP price, not yet in spot but in perpetual or in future trading in Coinbase, no? So the Coinbase institutional focus arm, Coinbase International Exchange, has launched PP perpetual future contracts trading, enabling clients outside the United States to leverage trade the asset. The move sparked widespread excitement, and its launch on Tuesday was well received by the market, with PP dominating the meme coin sector. So this is the current price of the PP token, 5079, 15% today, then 47% this week, 4.5% this month. So the currently PP holds 3.3 billion market cap, 1.6 billion 24-hour trading volume, 62%. So as you see in the chart, from the lowest, so from the bottom 5050, now 5080, so increase. So it is the 37th largest crypto by market cap, but the 9th largest by trading volume. So Coinbase future listing has also ignite anticipation that spot listing on the main platform may follow. So Coinbase added PP perpetual for institutional investor. Spot is next. So remember, if the token will be listed in Coinbase, especially in spot trading, 70 to 90% in its value will increase. So meaning the PP will burn 1 to 2 zeros after the spot listing in Coinbase. But maybe we will anticipate it 1 month to 3 months, no, after the listing. So the analyze also on PP's relative strength, highlight that it is broken out on its price chart and it's pumping towards the new all-time high. So this is the tweet by Plasma. So 1,019 new PP holders today. So Coinbase added PP virtual for install investor. Spot is next. PP broke out and started pumping towards a new all-time high. Okay, so this is good news for those who buy PP, but always remember, invest what you can afford to lose. Maybe it will go down deep before it will go round high, no? So based on the analysis, PP could soar to 0.360 this year, so that is 1,100% gain from its current price. So bag more PP now, but always remember, this is educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Okay, that's all. I hope you gain insight on the video I shared with you about Pepe token. So if you will try to invest in Coinbase, so you will invest on perpetual future trading in Coinbase. But if you will bag more PP token on any other exchanger to wait for the spot trading in Coinbase, so you can do it. But always research first so that you will not lose your money. I hope I share with you this opportunity, and of course don't forget to subscribe my new channel Crypto Joel, and always hit the notification bell for more cryptos potential Okay.